Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a quick experiment, so I thought I'd do a video to document it. Since I've got the locomotives organized now, it gives me lots better access to them. So I pulled this 1666 off the shelf. I picked this up months ago for $8, $6, I don't remember. The thing was just absolutely trash. But I got it running, and I've just added a front coupler to it, a simple tab and slot. So just a quick experiment to document this. Anyway, I filed the front flat to give me a surface to mount on. This is really crude. I just threw this together just a couple minutes ago. So I just wanted to do a quick video to test it. And I've got it mounted with a sheet metal screw for now. And I can clean this up. I just want to see if it's going to work before I go any further with it. So anyway, a front coupler, tab and slot coupler, on a 1666. 1666 is coupled to the Lionel Sound of Power Tinder. Now this 1666 does smoke. So let's take this around and see if this front coupler will work. So it's beginning to smoke. The coupler is working no problem. I just had to see if it was long enough to be able to make these turns. So a smoking 1666 with a front coupler. So this is really crude. I just got this thrown together. But I can really clean this up now that I know that it works. And flatten out this surface here so I can mount this flat, a couple of judicious bends, clean up that coupler a bit. This was just an old coupler out of the junk box. The nice thing about it, of course, is the fact that it works. It gives you a front coupler on a 1666. And it's an expedient, of course. It's a really simple way to mount it, but it worked. That's the neat thing about it. So anyway, I just wanted to document the experiment, so I thought I'd shoot a video. I can get this cleaned up, and I think this will actually look all right. It's not original, of course, but the thing is, it gives you a front coupler on a locomotive that did not have one. And it is, of course, a Marx coupler, so it'll couple with anything that Marx made, tab and slot, plastic knuckle, or plastic tilt. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video to document it, to see if it was going to work. Obviously it will. So let's try it this way and see how it works. All right, ready to run? Let's take it around again. First time I've run that locomotive in months. So obviously the coupler works. So like I said, I'll clean this up a bit. And it gives me a unique 1666 that can be now run as a switcher. And the nice thing about it was a really simple modification to do, all external. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video to document it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.